here, about 2.5 pounds each. We are going to slow roast those in our oven. Set the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 50 minutes per pound. So we've got approximately 5 pounds. Ergo, we are going to go for, let's say, 4 hours to get this completely done. These are the pre-brined corned beefs. We're going to use them for 2 separate recipes, but if we've got the oven going, we're going to cook them both at the same time. At this point, you're going to look for just a little bit of added seasoning when we go into these. So, pop it open. We've got a nice brisket point here. Take a small knife that you can control. Poke your package straight across. Everything goes into the pot. Yes, the brining preservative marinade also. Little rinse. Looks like they've got a little fennel seed in there too. Take out some whole peppercorns. I am going for about a dozen, maybe 15. We can add some fennel seeds because those are good and they didn't put very many in there. That smells good. Couple pink peppercorns crushed up in my fingers, so I'm gonna go with 3 per, so a half dozen of those. And how about some caraway seeds? If caraway sounds familiar, that would be what is in your rye bread. So it's a super flavorful little seed that we're going to impart a little bit from each. Alright, at that point I think we are golden. At this point, take some water, pour it inside of your dish until it comes and brings everything just below the fat. Because roasting is not boiling. Put the lid on it. Slide it straight into the oven. Four hours later. Now, we put all of this seasoning in here earlier. We don't specifically want all of that. We're going to take the top layer of fat with all of our extra seasonings right on off of here. Get yourself a small disposable container. Just take your tongs and pinch. The fat will, as long as it's cooked thoroughly, the fat will pull directly off of all right. Set that off to the side. We'll need those hot pads here in a minute. Set our corned beef out to the side. Okay, now that our corned beef is done, fresh, hot, right out of the liquid, we're going to go ahead and make some slices. So you want to hold with one, cut with the other. Light pressure, let the knife do its own work. That way you don't tear up what you're working on, because corned beef is very soft to begin with. Lots of fat through there. Looking great. Yeah.